In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first Jira project. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you have a seamless experience setting up a project tailored to your needs. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to your Jira dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll see an option labeled Projects. Now, when you hover over this option, keep an eye out for a plus icon that will magically appear. This icon is your gateway to creating a brand new project in Jira. So, go ahead and click on that plus icon. Now that you've initiated the project creation process, you'll be presented with a variety of template options. These templates are organized into categories displayed on the left panel. This categorization helps you quickly find a template that aligns with the specific type of project you're aiming to launch, whether it's for software development, business management, or another purpose entirely. Once you've reviewed the categories, take a moment to explore the features and contents of the templates available. This is an important step because you want to ensure the template you choose aligns perfectly with your team's workflow and project goals. If you find a template that fits your needs, go ahead and click on the Use Template button. Each template in Jira has its own unique setup process, so after selecting one, you'll need to continue with the setup by providing necessary details for your project. This includes adding a project title, which clearly identifies the purpose and scope of your project. You might also be prompted to enter additional details that are specific to the template you chose. Fill these in carefully to ensure everything is correctly aligned with your project objectives. And there you have it. Congratulations on creating your first Jira project. By following these steps, you've taken the initial crucial step in organizing tasks, tracking progress, and collaborating with your team more efficiently. Remember, the template and project setup you choose can significantly impact how well your team can manage and navigate their workload. So don't hesitate to explore different templates and features until you find the perfect fit for your team. Enjoy your journey with Jira, and happy project managing.